Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? If you're new to the channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Weav, and here on my channel, we coach you through 3 crucial facets of your life. First, on your personal growth and development. Second, we continuously push you towards greatness in your careers as you move forward in business and entrepreneurship. Third, we always help you to build, maintain, and nurture long, lasting, and more meaningful relationships. Today's video was inspired from a recent coaching session involving a relationship that seemed to maybe want to work out, but maybe not. Now, you know how I get down. I don't like to waste time, and I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. Do or do not. There is no maybe. It's one of my go-to quotes when people are unsure of themselves. And yeah, it's easy to be that way if you're used to being so sure of yourself in other areas of your life. But have you ever noticed how much your home life sometimes affects your work life? How your personal relationships affect your intimate relationships? It's not that it makes them damaged or broken, but it does bring a lingering effect to the overall mood. And how you feel on a day-to-day basis about things that matter to you is what you carry around in your attitude daily. You can choose for that attitude to be positive and to thrive in your current situations, or you can choose to cloud your judgment in growing personally because you are hurt over something. Either way, what you truly want is something that brings you closer to clarity about how you're going to change for the better. And what better way to elect change than to decide if your relationship is worth your time? For as much as people act like it's some difficult decision, it's not. It's simple. Do I love and care about this person enough to continue to make it work? Will I accept what you did and who you are enough to make it work? Is what you did so hurtful to me that I'm willing to walk away? And nah, those decisions aren't made overnight, but they are made long before you literally decide. You know how sometimes you make decisions that you deem important? You know those moments where somebody tells you some shit and you think to yourself, man, that sounds good, but something feels off. It doesn't seem or feel right. It's not consistent with what you know. I've become in tune with that voice because I understand that voice has led me this far. And your voice may not always tell you correctly because you can't control the actions of another person. You can't control if they will put in the necessary effort to make your relationship work. You can't guarantee yourself that they won't lie or cheat again. You are only responsible for your own action. And there is no need to justify the behavior of another man or woman. Be a good person and allow life to sort the rest of the shit out. The other thing is, what better way for you to challenge yourself and your commitment than to trust in your ability to make mistakes and bounce back from them? If you try this relationship or marriage again and it doesn't work out, you can never say that you didn't give it a shot. And if you decide against it, if you listen to that little voice that tells you, nah, this is just gonna be the same shit, different day, if you go back to it, then live with it. Don't get cloudy about your decisions for yay or nay. Make them with the same conviction you do in every other aspect of your life. Trust in your ability to bounce back. Trust in your ability to make it work. Trust in the love that you've built, or trust in the character of the man or woman you're in love with has shown you this far in that relationship. But don't allow someone to waste your time and your energy twice, because that time and energy is never given back to you. Neither is the peace of mind that you are given when you are committed to someone who isn't quite as committed to you. We can only carry so much of a load in a relationship that is stressful and causes you anxiety. And should your relationship be a constant source of unsureness, of sadness, or of disarray, nah, it should be a bright spot. It should be the light through the roughest points in your life. It should be the type of partnership that builds you up. It should speak to you with tough love, but also make you feel comfortable that they have your best interest at heart. It should never have you questioning loyalty or empathy for your situation. So make a decision already. Decide if what you want is worth fighting for, if it's worth staying for, and if it will lead to the type of healthy love that can stand the test of time. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. And if no one has told you this already today, I appreciate you. If you found some value in the video today, make sure that you like, comment, share the video as well. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom and become an official part of a team that's always going to push you forward to personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.